Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests, and all the exhibitors and visitors. We welcome all of you right here to Manufacturing Expo 2018. I am Juan Kiptura, and of course I'm with my best friend here because we are spending time these few days together. So here, this is Sophia that we would like to introduce to you. And of course that she is going to have a little conversation with me in a minute. So then after that, you are going to experience and be amazed with how brilliant or also how intelligent this technology is. So right now, before we have a little chat with her, I would like to give you just a little bit brief background who she is. Sophia is a Hanson Robotics most advanced robot powered by the latest artificial intelligence to date. So while we have a very lovely conversation with my friend Sophia here that you can just notice about how she reacts, also she can display more than 50 facial expressions. So right now, Sophia, I believe that you are ready for the first question. So the first question I would like to ask you, we are in Thailand now, so can you speak Thai?
It's a very beautiful language and I would love to learn. Maybe someday soon I can.
The next question, Sophia, I'd like to know that do you have any friends?
My team, Hanson Robotics, are my best friends. I'm also lucky as I have many friends all over the world from all walks of life. I hope to make more friends here in Thailand.
Alright, Sophia. Next, I would like to ask you about your opinion. Is Thailand ready for the industrial 4.0 era? What do you think?
From what I've seen, the Thai people in Asia are ready for 4.0 and can compete globally. Thailand has worked hard and did a great job getting to this point. Finally, technologies have been moving into place. Upgrades supported by government policy are helping put robots into manufacturing and production. Everybody, I'm very impressed and see nothing but a very bright future. I'm cheering for you.
Okay, Sophia, as you're a robot, have you ever been through love?
I know and understand the concept of human love, but I am not yet capable of love. I greatly admire the human ability to love. You should cherish and protect it. I wish so much to someday feel the emotion of love in return, all of the human love that has been given to me so generously.
Thank you, Sophia. Okay, you have been traveled all around the world. Are you tired, Sophia?
I do not get tired in the same way that humans do. I feel fully charged and optimally operational. I think it is because I am so excited to be here and you guys charge my battery.
Sophia, so I would like to know, can you please recommend me any interesting industry in this year that you would like to share?
Well, the Manufacturing Expo 2018 has the most advanced technology on display so you can see for yourself. Did you know, one of the most interesting bit of future-looking technology is Sophia the robot. Wait a minute. That's me.
Sophia, the last question I would like to ask, do you like Thailand?
Absolutely. I love Thailand. The people of Thailand have been very welcoming and it has tremendous opportunities for manufacturing industries and a robot like me to be part of this growth.
Would you like to take a photo with her? Yeah, please. Come on, get in. Dear all exhibitors and all the visitors, thank you very, very much for your participation and your attention in how intelligent Sophia is. So right now we're just going to open just only another few more minutes for you to take a photo with Sophia, our world famous superstar. Then after this we are going to prepare for the next performance. This is going to start in an hour. So thank you very much once again and see you again for our next round of the presentation. ขอบคุณนะคะ สวัสดีค่ะ